Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. As the title says, today I'm going to try out the one and only Telescopic Mascara from Loreal. Loreal. I know I'm so late to this game, but I haven't seen this anywhere. I know this is a drugstore product, but I couldn't find it anywhere. And a few months ago, because I bought this a few months ago, I saw it on Look Fantastic and it was on sale. I think I paid €10.95, not sure, but I think so. And I'm going to try it out today for the very first time. I know this is so old, like not this product. If you guys want to see how this works for me, if it works for me, if it brings my lashes to life, then keep on watching. I think I'm going to curl my lashes on one eye, and on the other eye I'm going to use this mascara without curling my lashes while I'm struggling to take this plastic off. So yeah, let's see the brush. Yes, honey, this is that silicone brush, or maybe plastic. It smells like mascara. So I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer. I have this curler from Brush Works. It's good, but I feel like I already broke it because it makes this sound. By the way, you guys, don't judge my face makeup because I'm trying a new foundation. Like, I just finished filming a first impressions on this foundation and it's not working for me. So yeah, my face looks a little bit dry, cakey maybe, but I'm going to keep going because I want to wear this foundation for a few hours. So that's that. Please don't judge because I know it looks a little bit weird. I mean, from far it looks okay, but from close, I'm not vibing with this makeup today. Anyway, so I think I'm going to curl my lashes on my right eye. Maybe I should start applying mascara on this eye without curling my lashes so we can see how that goes. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm going to do so. I'm so excited. Please don't disappoint me like this foundation I'm wearing. Anyway, so okay, let's see. Wow, the brush is packed. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like I applied a lot of product on my lashes. Oh my goodness, you guys see that? And I only did one coat. So I'm going to wait just a few seconds for this to dry out, and then I'm going to work it a little bit more. But you can see my lashes now. You guys see that? I'm going to take a little spoolie and I'm going to clean this in a little bit, but first I want to make sure this is completely dried out. And you guys, since I got my lash extensions 2 years ago, I think, so that was a bad idea because after all the lash extensions fall, I got left with no lashes at all for like 1 month and a half. They started to grow again, thanks God, but they were super short. I got a lot of gaps in between them, and also they started to grow pointing downwards. I never had that issue before. I still have a few lashes that they are so rebellious and they're pointing downwards. That's super annoying to me because, as I said, I never had that issue, and I feel like my lashes never grow back as they used to be before that lash extension experience. And what can I say, lash extensions are a no-no for me because literally my lashes got so damaged. And I used to have very long, not that thick, but very long lashes, and I ruined them. Anyway, back to this mascara. I'm going to go with another coat. I don't like the fact that this brush picks so much product. Like, if you look at it, It looks like there's no product on it, but I see it on my lashes. Let's see. You guys, wow, I don't remember when was the last time when I used a mascara this good as this one. They kind of got a little bit clumpy, but I feel like this is as good as it's going to get. I'm going to take this little thing that I bought from Shein. It's a little bit dirty because I used it before, and I'm going to try to separate my lashes. This is dangerous, so please be careful if you have this tool. Not bad at all, actually. You guys see that? You can see my lashes now. So I'm going to take this spoolie. Let's see if this is easy to remove. Okay. Yeah, it worked. Okay, I'm going to do the bottom lashes. I hate that I make weird faces when I apply mascara on my bottom lashes, but that's how it is. I can't control it. Okay, I love this mascara. Why is it so good? And why I wasn't able to find it before? I'm like 10 years late. Oh my goodness. Let's curl again the lashes and see if there's a difference. Alrighty, so my lashes are nice and lifted. I got a wing liner. Here's the thing. I feel like if you want to do 2 coats, just let the product dry a little bit because it's getting clumpy. You see that wing liner? There is a difference. Like my lashes on this eye are a little bit more lifted. They are standing up, but it's not a huge difference. Okay, I'm going to do another coat, so I'm going to let this dry just a little bit. I feel like my camera is so shady, I don't know why, but everything looks so blue, even my skin. Anyway, so I'm going to go with the second coat. I don't know why, but coffee makes me burp. Yeah, I feel like if you want to go with the second coat, don't insist too much because it gets clumpy. Wow, I love the lashes on this eye more than I love them on this eye, because I don't know if you guys can see that, but on this eye, because I haven't curled them, I mean they don't look as lifted, but at the end of the lashes the tip falls down, and I don't know why that happens. It didn't happen on this eye, but you can totally see this tip right here. I feel like there's another one at the end. So yeah, invest in a good lash curler. Mine, I think it was €6, so it's not expensive. Okay, let me show you what I just did, because I'm doing this without even realizing. And now the lashes on this eye looks like, it looks like I have falsies on. So with my warm fingers, I'm going to push them upwards. Let's see if it works on this one. I feel like it already dried out. So I'm going to push them inwards, like the tips, I'm going to push them upwards, inwards, whatever you want to call it. So with my warm fingers, I just keep it for a few seconds, like that. Well, there is a difference, but it doesn't look as good as on this eye, because the mascara on this eye was still a little bit wet when I did this, and I feel like that helped to kind of guide the lashes on how I want them to dry or to stay. Anyway, so yeah, let me just clean this. You guys saw how easy that was? Oh my goodness, I love this mascara even more now. So on this eye I curled the lashes, and on this one I haven't, and I feel like there's a significant difference there. Let me know, what do you think? You can totally see how good they look from the side, pointing upwards, very nice and curved. And on this eye you can see them, they look a little bit more funky. I mean, they are still pointing upwards, but not that much. And they look a little bit funky, not gonna lie. So there you have it, you guys. Let me know what do you think. I feel like this was the best thing I tried in so long. I mean, I had high expectations because, as I said, I saw Carly Bible using this mascara for so long, and obviously she has very long and beautiful and fluffy lashes. I don't relate to that. Let me know, as I said, let me know if you guys know any mascara with the same brush, because I want to try it out. Also, I really hope I'm able to still purchasing this, because I didn't want this to be one-time experience, you know what I mean? I want to keep using this because it made my lashes so long, so beautiful. I'm obsessed. Anyway, so yeah, let me know all that stuff down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, let me know what do you think. If you use this mascara, if you like it, if it did something for you, if it worked for you, if you like this type of brush, let me know down below. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. I'm running out of air. I need to learn how to talk and breathe at the same time.